How to use TikTok templates for your video. So if you have a video you've recorded and you want to use a particular TikTok template for your video, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set or use TikTok template, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app, or first record your video, but here open the TikTok app. Once open it, click on the plus icon. Then here, select how long you want to record your TikTok video. So here, let's say I just want to record a 15-minute TikTok video. Or if you have recorded a video before, just come here, click on this icon, select video, and then select the video you want to use on TikTok. So if this is the video, select the video just like this. Then go ahead and click on this icon, this TikTok template icon. Then you should see processing. Hang on while this is converted, and here you see change a template. Then select the template you want to use. So you can just keep searching for the template until you find the exact template you want to use. And if you don't want to upload the video from your phone, click on cancel, discard, come back again, then record your video. So just go ahead, record the type of video you want to post on your TikTok account, and once you're done recording the video, this is what you're going to do next. Stop this, then click on this check mark. Once you click on the check mark, repeat the process again by clicking on the template icon here. You can come here, change the music here. So if you have a preferred music, just come here, change the music, favorite or recent, or search for the music you want to use. Now, to not change your template, click on the TikTok template here and hang on for the process to complete. Once the process is completed, then you can now select the template you want to use. You see that? Then once you're satisfied with all the templates you have access to here, then go ahead and click on next. Once you hit the next button, then you'll be prompted to post the video on your TikTok page. And then once you hit the post button, the video will be posted with the template you selected. So that is basically how to change or set TikTok templates on your video. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.